Where did these babies come from? Strawberry, come look. Oh, little baby, are you Strawberry? Oh, Strawberry, it is you. What am I gonna do? Who will take care of these babies? Gotta think. Well, I guess Apple Dumpling will take care of the babies. Apple Dumpling's big now. That's right. Apple Dumpling's the big kid now. And you babies are little.
Huh?
Now, you do like Dumpling says, okay, Orange Blossom? And Dumpling does not need a nap. Isn't that right, Ginger Snap? And now we will bake a cake, okay? Okay, we'll bake a cake. First we need... berries. That smells good, Ew. No, that doesn't smell good. That doesn't smell good at all. Baby Ginger Snap, is that you? Oh, Baby Ginger Snap. Yuck. Baby Ginger Snap, you go change that diaper right now. Oh, Baby Ginger Snap, Apple Dumpling will help you. Please, Baby Ginger Snap, don't ever do that again. Okay, now we'll bake a cake. Oh no, the babies! Babies, you stop that right now. Put that down, Baby Strawberry. Messy Baby Angel Cake. No, Baby Orange Blossom. Oh, that's not very helpful, Baby Ginger Snap. Come on, time to cook. Now, very first of all, Baby Strawberry, don't eat off the floor. It's all right, Baby Angel Cake. Baby Ginger, where is Baby Orange Blossom? Oh no! Baby Orange Blossom, where are you? Baby Orange Blossom! Baby Orange Blossom, put down that hose. No, Baby Orange Blossom, do not turn that on. No, Baby Orange Blossom! Okay. The flowers have plenty of water now. What is going on in here? That's it. No more. You babies cannot help Apple Dumpling. Apple Dumpling cook. That's much much, much better. Someday you can cook too when you're big, like me.
You're a little too little, not big like me. Just a little bit little, but I guarantee that one day you'll be big and tall. And you'll have no cares at all. Like me, when you're big like me. You're just an itty too bitty, don't reach too high. But it isn't a pity, and I'll tell you why. Soon you'll reach the tallest shelf, just like I do now by myself. You'll see, when you're big like me. And won't that be a lovely day to see? That day when you're all big and tall like me. When no one will tell you what to do. 'Cause you'll be the only boss of you. So one day you'll be grown up, yes sirree. Until then you must wait very patiently. When you'll run and jump and play. A grown-up girl in every way. Like me. You'll be just like me. When you're big like me.
Now I put in baking powder. Baking powder will make the cake get big.
Oopsie.
Baby strawberry! Please be careful.
Okay.
Where was I? Oh, yes. Put in baking powder to make the cake get big. Baby orange blossom! Oh, please be careful.
Okay.
Now, where was apple dumpling? Oh, baking powder to make the cake get big. I put in a little more to be sure. There, that will do it. I've got my oven mitts on. In goes the cake. There.
Whoa, ooh,
Ah. Oh, babies! You babies must be very tired. You need a nap. Okay, babies, go to sleep now.
No way. Forget it.
Oh. Will you babies sleep if I read you a story?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, once upon a time. Reading a story always works on babies. Once upon a time. What's wrong, baby strawberry? You okay, baby ginger snap? Go to sleep, baby. Oh no! Babies, wake up! Babies! Hurry! We gotta go! Every baby okay?